recording. येनाक्षर समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. So we begin with the Patha. Now again a new list of dhatus have come. Very important dhatus which are used almost always everywhere. uh, Karna and Hona. So these are the rupas. Karoti, kurutaha, kuruvanti, karoshi, kuruthaha, kurutha, karomi, kuruvaha, kurumaha. So this is Prathama Purusha. That is, you describe a third person. So you will say Ramaha karoti, Ramau kurutaha, Ramaha kuruvanti. त्वं करोषि युवां कुरुथः यूयं कुरुथ. Then this one करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः. अहं करोमि आवां कुर्वः वयं कुर्मः. Here बालकः अस्ति बालकौ स्तः बालकाः सन्ति. त्वं असि, as we say tat त्वं असि. युवां स्थः यूयं स्थ. अहम अस्मि आवाम स्वः वयम स्मः. सो इन दिस सेंस मैं हूं, हम दो हैं, हम बहुत सारे हैं. तुम हो, तुम दोनों हो. युवाम स्थः, तुम बहुत सारे हो. यूयम स्थ. सो दिस इज वन वर्ड. देन इत्थम, तथा, यथा, कथम, अपि, न, च, ev, he. These are the words that are the avyayas. Again, some avyayas have come. They will not have any shabda rupa and all that, but they will be used. Tum bhi, we will say tvam api. Tum bhi, as we say it to Brutus. You too, Brutus, as in this thing. I think Julius Caesar. This comes. So he could have said tvam api Brutusah in that sense. Okay. And then cha is aur. So we say, but in Sanskrit, unlike we say Sita or Gita, there is this famous Hindi film, you would be aware of it, old Hindi film. So we say Sita or Gita, right? Now, in Sanskrit, the or comes later after the enumeration is done. So we will say Sita Gita cha, unlike Sita aur Gita or Sita and Gita. Sita Gita cha. Or Ram or Lakshman. We will not say like this. We will say Ramah Lakshmanah cha. Okay. So now let us look at Gha. So Divakar ji, please read this. So these are the Sankhyas, the numbers 1 to 10.
ओके. एकः एक, दो दो, त्रयः तीन, चत्वारः चार, पञ्च पाँच, षट् छः, सप्त सात, अष्ट आठ, नव नौ, दश दस.
Now, this one you have to pronounce as Dvau, Dvau,
दो. दो.
Dvau. This is actually Au ki matra. This is
राइट राइट.
Au. So Dvau we will say, and anyway, so these numbers will also be used. Like we will say Saptahe kati varaha santi. सप्ताह में कितने वार हैं? We will say saptavaraha, like that, and so on and so forth. So, and then the avyayas are also there. So we yatha will be, suppose one example is to be given, जैसे, so if I say जो मेहनत करता है वो जीवन में सफल होता होता है, and then I want to give a दृष्टांत for this, then I want to give a drishtanta for this. The drishtanta
Am
will
I
be,
am I late?
you are not very late. I will just quickly recap. No worries. We'll just
Okay.
quickly recap. No worries. So, now the drishtanta that we can give is, जो जो मेहनत करता है वह सफल होता है, दृष्टांत जैसे सचिन तेंदुलकर. Like if you want to say the same thing in Sanskrit, यह श्रमम करोति सः सफलः भविष्यति या सफलः भवति यथा सचिन तेंदुलकरः, we will say. So that यथा, जैसे. And then if somebody asks, भारतः युद्धे युद्धे विजयं लभते, भारतवर्षः युद्धे विजयं लभते. So then you said this thing, katham, कैसे, how did this happen, somebody asks, कैसे हुआ, then you will say katham. If somebody could, I mean, the mic is open, somebody's mic is open. uh, हाँ. So katham, कैसे. Now api as I said, one example. Na, na is nahi. So suppose somebody, I can ask Divakar ji like this, that uh, हे दिवाकर, शोधपत्रम लिखसी वा, आप शोध पत्र, आप रिसर्च पेपर लिख रहे हो क्या, एंड देन ही माइट से नहीं. तो इन इंस्टेड ऑफ नहीं, इन संस्कृत ही विल से न, अभी नहीं, बाद में ही विल राइट, समथिंग लाइक दिस. एंड च, वन एग्जांपल कुड बी अत्र.
can it be अद्यापि ना এরকম হতে পারে কি?
अद्यपि न नहीं होगा. अद्यपि न, इट वुड बी अद्यापि न, अभी, आज भी नहीं. दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. Like I will give you an example how that adyapi, or rather adyapi, comes into picture. But I will just do this cha thing. So if I say अत्र कौ तिष्ठतः, यहाँ पे कौन दो बैठते हैं, देन वन कैन से रामः लक्ष्मणः च. नाउ फॉर अद्यपि, एज यू आर सेइंग, अद्यपि is आज भी. So api is fine. Adyapi is also an example of it, but adyapi in itself is uh, not the word. It is adya jod api. It becomes adyapi. Okay, it becomes adyapi. Now adyapi. So one example that in Bengali we say, Oddapiyo Leela Koren Gora Rai. I mean, so basically, Lord Chaitanya, even now he does his Leela and all. So somebody can say something like this, that Adyapi Chaitanya Leela Bhavati. Even today it happens. So in that sense, api can also be used for tum bhi, tvam api. That one example I had given. So tvam api could be one more example. Like as I said, ate to brute and then fell Caesar. So we can say tvam api brutah tada Caesar apatat. We will say something like this in Sanskrit. This is from Shakespeare. Now, ekah, ek, dvau, do, these are the sankhyas. Ekah, ek. If somebody says ishtah kaha, so we can say ekah, one ishtah is there. Something like this we can say. Dvau, two people. So we will say, or rather, so there could be other examples also. So if we say uh, kati कर्णाः सन्ति, then you will say द्वौ कर्णौ स्तः, that कितने कान है, बहुत सारे हैं क्या, so you will say नहीं, दो कान है, द्वौ कर्णौ स्तः. And then त्रयः, त्रयः is तीन, चत्वारः चार, and so on and so forth. We will look at the examples as we do the abhyasa. Now just to recap once. Oh, I don't know what happened. One second, huh? Yes, this is perfect. Yeah. So now, if you look at karoti, kurutah, kurvanti, this is prathama ekvachanam, a third person we are referring to. Karoti, kurutah, kurvanti. Ramah karoti, ramah kurutah, ramah kurvanti. Similarly, tvam karoshi, yuvam kurutah, yuyam kurutha. Aham karomi, आवाम कुर्वः, वयम कुर्मः. In the same way, होना, सः अस्ति, तौ स्तः, ते सन्ति, त्वम् असि, युवां स्तः, यूयं स्तः, अहम् अस्मि, आवां स्वः, वयं स्मः. Now we come to the karakas. The karakas. So karta ne, this is very similar to what people have already studied in Hindi or Bangla. Karta ne, Ram ने कुछ किया, राम कुछ करता है. So क्या करता है, रामः युध्यति, राम युद्ध करता है. रामः कम मारयति, अच्छा मारते हैं, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. किनको मारते हैं, किसको मारते हैं, विल से द टारगेट ऑफ द एक्शन, और सो दैट वुड बी कर्म. रावणम मारयति, द्वितीया विभक्ति. कर्ण, आई डिस्कस दिस इन द प्रीवियस क्लास ब्रीफली. कर्ण किसके द्वारा मारते हैं, रावण, रामः रावणम शरैहि, शर इज बाण एंड दैट इज अ पुल्लिंग शब्द, सो वी विल से शरैहि, अगर बहुत सारे बाणों से मारा है तो वी विल से रावण, रामः रावणम, रामः रावणम शरैहि मारयति, शर से मारते हैं. या हाँ, नाउ संप्रदान, संप्रदान किसके लिए मारते हैं, सीतायै, सीता के लिए, सो दैट इज चतुर्थी विभक्ति. संप्रदान. अपादान, रावण, अपादान इज अलगाव होना, अलग होना. तो कैसे अलग हो सकता है, जैसे पत्ता पेड़ से अलग होता है, इन दैट वे. सो वी कैन से रावण कस्मात पतति, कहां से गिरता है, गिरेगा मतलब अलग होगा, तो वी विल से रथात पतति, रथ से अलग होके गिर गया. वेरी गुड. नाउ संबंधा, रामस्य शत्रु कह, राम का शत्रु कौन है, तो राम का शत्रु, देयर इज अ बिलोंगिंग, देयर इज अ रिलेशनशिप, संबंध बिटवीन राम एंड शत्रु. सो राम का शत्रु कौन है, सो वी विल से रावणः. अधिकरण, अधिकरण इज like a locus where things are happening. For example, महाभारतस्य युद्धः कुत्र भवति, we will say हस्तिनापुरे, कहाँ हुआ, हस्तिनापुर में. And then संबोधन, if you are referring to a person, we will say हे राम, और हे नदी, हे लते, something like this we will say. Now with sambodhana, very interesting thing is that we have this famous mantra, if you look at it that way. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We call it as the Taraka Brahma mantra or other mantra. I mean, if you look at the mantra itself, that entire mantra is in the form of a sambodhana. So you are calling out to the Lord, basically. That is what is happening in that mantra. There are many other mantras where there are sambodhanas. You are just talking to somebody. So you will say, Hey Rama, or something like that. Now, the niyam, how to use cha in Sanskrit. I have already mentioned. You will never say Ram or Shyam. You will never say Ramah cha Shyamah. You will say Ramah Shyamah cha. In the same way, you see here, Ramah Krishna, it will be Ram or Krishna or Rama and Krishna in Hindi and English respectively. This will become in Sanskrit as Ramah Krishna cha Balakah Balika cha ityadi. Now we come to the Abhyasa. अत्र एकः बालकः अस्ति. अत्र एकः बालकः अस्ति. इसका अर्थ क्या है? प्रांतिक. What is the meaning of this?
अभी एक ही बालक है.
अत्र is so if you say abhi,
यहाँ एक ही
yes,
बालक है.
and if you want to say abhi, यहाँ एक बालक है, then what will be?
अत्र अपि एकः बालक अस्ति.
No, that will be adhuna. Adhuna is abhi. Adhuna. Or and if somebody says aaj, then it will be adya.
अद्य. अत्र अद्य एकः बालकः अस्ति.
हाँ, आज यहाँ एक बालक है. So we say atra and adya. So atra adya. Now there is one more. That is atra dvau manushyav staha. Staha is coming as dvivachanam.
द्विवचनम. अस्ति द्विवचन is तः, isn't it?
Asti dvivachana is taha. Yes, perfect. Now the anuvada.
Okay, but I am to say the anuvada of the entire sentence.
Yes.
Okay. अभी sorry, यहाँ अभी यहाँ दो मनुष्य है.
Now Divakar ji, this one.
सः किम करोति, वह क्या करता है.
This will be just 1 second. I will. This is perfect now. 13.
त्वं किम करोसि, तुम क्या करते हो.
हाँ, तुम क्या करते हो. अहम भोजनम करोमि, मैं भोजन करता हूँ. सः अपि अत्र एव पठति, वह भी. सः अपि, वह भी. अत्र एव, यहाँ ही. अत्र यहाँ एव ही पढ़ता है.
Now, if it is a masculine gender, if it is a feminine gender, then it will be sa api, isn't it?
Sa api, and if it is a neuter gender, it will become tat api.
Okay, tat api.
Okay, I actually had a question which I forgot to ask. It was that is there like for example that we have ing form in English, right? पढ़ रहा है, कर रहा है, जा रहा है. And पढ़ता है, करता है, जाता है. So both of these
present continuous, right? You want
right? हाँ.
That is there. So we have something called as the Shatri Shanach Pratyayas, which take care of that kind of thing. So
okay, because in
which when you add, it will become chal raha hai, chalta hua. This kind of things will come there. We will look at Shatri Shanach maybe later in this book. But it will be
if I asked is this because in Abhyas 2 there was a sentence तू आज क्या पढ़ रहा है. It was in Sanskrit बनाओ number 10. तू आज क्या पढ़ रहा है. But we were only using पठति पठसी.
हाँ, पठसी we
are using
क्या पढ़ता है, पढ़ रहा है के लिए you can say त्वम. If you want it the correct way, as in the present continuous way. Now, what they are doing in this book, they are building up the concepts gradually. So
right.
But if you just want it the right way, the more perfect way, you will say अत्र त्वम किम पठन, क्या पढ़ रहे हो. Pathan will be the thing. Now, how is Pathan created? We will look when we or pathamanaha, if I say. So those things, how will those things come? We will look at when we look at the
Okay.
suffixes, the pratyaya prakarana. Then we will study that. But for the time being, it would suffice if we just say pathasi. But yes, as you said, those are taken care of by some of the pratyaya forms.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
हाँ, gradually it will come. Yeah. Now, तुम दोनों यहाँ हो, तुम दोनों यहाँ हो, तुम सब कहाँ हो? तो तुम दोनों इज त्वम युवाम, युवाम, तुम दोनों इज युवाम, यहाँ हो, अत्र स्थः, तुम सब कहाँ हो? यूयम, कुत्र स्थ, वह क्या करता है? सह किम करोति, वे सब भोजन करते हैं। ते सर्वे, और just we can write te, sah tau te, in that sense, te bhojanam kurvanti. So suppose you don't know the direct dhatu, if you don't know the direct dhatu rupa, say खाना बनाने के लिए क्या धातु रूपा है, but you know what it could tentatively be translated into Hindi. You can say पाक क्रियाम कुर्वन्ति, खाना बनाते हैं वे सारे लोग. You can say पाक क्रियाम कुर्वन्ति. पाक क्रिया मतलब बेसिकली खाना बनाना, वो उस काम को वो करते हैं. बट इफ यू नो पचंती, banana, then it's great, you can just say pachanti. But if you don't know that, you have to write in this way. So kurvanti becomes the kri dhatu becomes very useful in that kind of a setup, very useful. And then ईश्वरः एकः एव अस्ति, चार बालक आ रहे हैं. चत्वारः बालकाः आगच्छन्ति, पांच पुस्तकें और पांच फूल यहाँ है. पुस्तकम इज द पुस्तक इज नपुंसकलिंग, इट बिकम्स पुस्तकानि. पंच पुस्तकानि, पंच पुष्पाणि च अत्र सन्ति, in that way. So you can do this translation. I will not go into it now. Ashuddha vakya, so let us wrap this up actually, so that we move with some good pace. Tau asti will never be right, because if I say tau, it means two people. It can either be tau stah asti stah santi, it will either be stah, or else if you want asti to be maintained, then you have to say, instead of tau, you will have to say saha. Tvam asti is wrong again, because asti is for third person. You need it for the madhyama purusha, the second person. So you will say tvam asti will be tvam asi. In the Upanishads and all, it comes tvameva pratyaksham brahmasi, it will come. So asi, and then tau kurutaha. So this is the right one. Then what are they giving us wrong? Tau kurvanti. Tau is dvivachanam, kurvanti is bahuvachanam, so it cannot go this way. So you have to make it karoti kurutaha kurvanti. So kurutaha will come. And if you want to maintain kurutaha, then don't say, or if you want to maintain kurvanti, then say saha tau te. Then you have to say te. In the same way, you have to do the corrections for the other ones. Shuddha karo, aham asti. Since you have the book, Divakarji, what will be aham asti? What is the right one for this? If I want to maintain
aham
asmi, asmi is correct. And if I want to maintain asti, then what can be here as an option? If I say that no, I want to have asti, but then what to change here?
Okay. Saha asti.
Saha asti, or if it's a girl, then
sa asti.
Sa asti. Okay. Then tvam karoti, it is wrong. It will be sah karoti, or sa karoti, or tat karoti. Aham karoshi is wrong again. It will be aham karomi. Vayam karomi is wrong. If vayam karomi is wrong and vayam is right, then what should I change karomi to? Anybody, Prantik da or Divakar ji, anybody.
Vayam.
Vayam kurvamah.
Kurmah, kurmah.
Kurmah.
Vayam
Kurvah,
kurmah.
kurmah. So that will come. In the same vein, you can correct the other one. So please practice this and then abhyasa. Abhyasa 1 से 10 तक की गिनती के 10 वाक्य बनाओ. Make 10 sentences. That you please try, and I will also have a look at those things. अस और कृ के लट के रूप लिखो. जस्ट प्रैक्टिस द रूपस दैट दे हैव गिवन. विभक्ति और कारकों के नाम तथा उनके चिन्ह बताओ. दैट इज आल्सो फाइन. रिक्त स्थान भरो. लट लकार. So रिक्त स्थान you have to fill in the blank. So there would be a blank here. You have to fill it with some word derived from the as dhatu. It will be sah atra asti. Atra हाँ अस्ति, त्वम, अस्सि, अहम, अस्मि, सह किम करोति, त्वम किम करोषि. In that way you have to do this. But I have already spelled out the solution, but just repeat this and write this once. So karoti, kurutah, kurvanti is for a third person doing a job. Karoshi, kurutah, kurutah is when I talk to you people. I'm saying Prantikah Sandhyavandanam Tvam हे प्रांतिक त्वम संध्यावंदनम करोषि. कर रहे हो or करते हो, whatever. But if I say aham sandhyavandanam karomi, that is one thing. If I say that no, we three, all of us do, then it will be vayam sandhyavandanam kurmah, so on and so forth. So this is how you can practice. Try to write or talk with these learnings gradually say make some day-to-day sentences in Sanskrit. That would be the best way with these basic learnings. Start doing that, because the language knowledge cannot happen without it being a part of your own life. If it's something that you study apart from what you generally do, then it will always remain as an abstract thing. That should not happen. It should become very lively. I will end the recording here because it's a short class, as in we are done with the abhyas and we are moving in good pace. So we are doing well till now. So I will stop it here for the time being, and then we move to the abhyasa 5 in the next class. That is a very important abhyasa because we will look at this important word. As in Hindi, we talk about आप करते हो. We give that respect to people, right? We say आप कैसे हैं, like that. So is there an alternative in Sanskrit for this? So Bhavan we will look at, Bhavati we will look at for Strilinga, and other things also we will have a look at. So this is Abhyasa 5. We will look at this in the next class. So practice till Abhyasa 4. We will try to wrap up Abhyasa 5 and 6 in the next week. That's one thing that we must do. I will stop the recording here. We stop with the Mangala Charana. Yenakshara samamnayam adhigamya maheshwarat krishnam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaye namaha. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतंजलिं प्रांजलि पाणिनी सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोस्मि मुनित्रयम्.
I think